Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to delete junk files on Android. On your phone, tap the Cleaner app. I think most Android phones already have this app. If not, download it. As you open it, the system will scan your device and show how much junk is stored. Tap Cleanup, and your phone will remove those files immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to delete junk files on Android. Quick, simple, and perfect for freeing up space and keeping your device clutter-free. Whether you are clearing cache, removing leftover files, or using a cleaner app, this method helps keep your phone fast, organized, and running at its best. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips that make your phone work smarter. Got questions or other phone tricks you want to learn? Drop them in the comments below. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.